Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, welcome. Thank you guys for stopping by and coming back. So I know I promised you guys a video of how I wash my hair. I already have a few on my channel, but this is just an updated one. I mean, it's the same process. So right now I'm just wetting my hair before I add my shampoo. And the shampoo that I'm using is the OGX with biotin and collagen shampoo. This is not the best shampoo because it's drying, but when I need my scalp to be cleansed, I tend to reach for a shampoo that really, cleanses my scalp versus a moisturizing shampoo. Anyways, I do switch up my shampoos, all my products every now and then. I don't use the same thing over and over. So while washing my hair, I use my fingertips. I do not use my nails because my nails can cut my scalp and then, it's gonna burn. So, it's best to use your fingertips. I am going to speed this up a little bit and I will come back to you guys in a bit. Alright, so now for the second wash, and it depends on how dirty my scalp is. I do wash it 2 or 3 times, and I use less shampoo for the second wash. I am going to speed this up again, and I will see you guys in a bit. Alright, so since the back and the middle of my head is so hard to scratch, I use the scalp massager, and this is from Amazon. I believe I paid $20 for it. I'm not sure if it's $20, but I will link it in the description box below. If you guys want to purchase it, it does aid with hair growth because it is a scalp massager. You can use it on dry hair, you can use it on wet hair. It has 2 speeds to it. I wish I could let you guys hear the speed, but I was listening to music while I wash my hair, so yeah, I'm sorry about that. But I will link it in the description box below, and it does help with hair growth. If you aren't aware by now, when you massage your scalp daily or often, it does help with hair growth, and it is a fact that it does work. Now I am going to rinse my hair out and move on to conditioner. Alright, so now I am just checking my scalp to see if I have any flakes left, because sometimes when you wash your hair, if you're not very thorough, you will have flakes still left on your scalp. It has happened to me, so I usually check before I move on to conditioning or deep conditioning, and this is the back. Alright, so today I'm going to deep condition my hair with the Aussie Moist 3-Minute Miracle Deep Conditioner. This is my favorite, you guys already know. I use this maybe once a week, sometimes twice a week, if I want like a quick wash, because you know you don't have to leave it in for 10-15 minutes, whatever. You can just put it in, you know, and take your shower and then rinse it out afterwards. It's not something that you need to sit under the hooded dryer for or to penetrate in your hair for a while. 3 minutes is all you need. So I love this because it melts my knots. As you can tell, I am just detangling my hair with my fingers. I don't need a comb. I am going to use a comb later on, but I don't even need a comb when it comes to detangling while using this product. It is so easy to use and I don't even get a lot of shedding. So next I use the comb just to go through it pretty quick. So this is the shedding from the comb and from my finger detangling. All right, now I'm gonna rinse my hair out, and I do use cool water to rinse my conditioner out to reduce frizz. How gorgeous does my curls look after that 3-minute miracle? I love that stuff. I love that stuff so much. All right, so I'm just showing you guys my scalp again. I don't know why. But the conditioner I'm going to be using is the Tresemme Curl Hydration Conditioner. And I use quite a bit. I'm just going to run this all over my hair, saturate every single strand, and just rinse it out with some cold water. I do not leave this on for not even a minute. I just put it in my hair, run my fingers through it, and then I wash it out with cool water. Alright guys, I'm almost done. This is the Design Essentials Avocado and Almond Detangling Leave-In Conditioner. And I love this stuff because it is very slippery. It is not too thick. It is a little bit on the watery side, but it gets the job done and my hair loves it. It is not cheap, but it's not expensive at the same time. I think it's a little bit under 10 bucks. It's more than 7 bucks, under 10 bucks, I think. I'm not sure. But my hair loves this stuff. I don't use it every time I wash my hair. I alternate with my other products, as I said before. And also, if you can tell, I didn't towel dry. If I was out of the shower, I would have towel dry and then added more water. So this is the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Curling Cream. This is my first time using it. I've had it for maybe 2 months now, and I've been putting off using it. I've never used it before. I am recording this a few days after I did my hair, and I actually love the way my hair turned out. My hair is nice and soft. I had no white residues, and I am just separating my hair right now before I add my cream. As you can tell, I was having a little bit of difficulty to put the pink clip in. I had to get a butterfly clip instead. So I section my hair in two to begin with, and I just run that comb through again just so there's no knots, because I'm not going to use any hair tools while I use the cream in my hair. And I just take a good amount and I just, I add it all over. And then I work my fingers through just to saturate each and every strand. Now I hate wet hair touching my neck, back, whatever. I would have added more water to my hair if I didn't mind my hair being wet when I'm out the shower, but I don't like it, so I didn't add any more water. But I mean, if you want to add more water to your hair, you can. It gives you more definition, but my hair was perfectly fine once it was dried. Alright, so I am just going to move on to the rest of my hair, and I will see you guys when I am done. Alright, so to lock in some moisture, I am going to use the 100% pure jojoba oil, and I am just going to add a few drops to my hands, rub it up, and then distribute it all over my hair. I do not put oil on my scalp because oil and water does not mix. I add oil to my scalp once my hair is dry. So lastly, I add this large ouchless hair tie, and I just use it to push my hair back just to set my hair. I do leave it there and wear it like this because I like it. This is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching if you stayed for the whole video. Thank you guys for your support. Thank you guys for subscribing. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to come back. And I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.